it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I want to do today is make another craft fair project ideas video. I'm totally obsessed with this. And what I want to make is a clutch treat bag holder, okay? And this is so simple. It's great for the beginners, great for mass makes. Like I said, craft fair projects. It would be good to do like stocking stuffers in, or if you have to give a Secret Santa gift. I know it's early, but it will be here. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really cute clutch treat bag holder, okay? So I just have paper that I have in my scraps. Now this is more fall because I'm feeling very fallish since it's fall now, but you can definitely do it for Christmas, any of the holidays. So this is why it's a great scrap buster. Okay, so I've got my paper, whatever you want to use. And then I have these Spellbinders little dies, and they say they're labels, and we're going to use this one right here. It's the next to the largest, okay? And then you're going to need some score tape. I think this is 3/4 of an inch. I'm pretty sure. Let me look. 3/8 of an inch, okay? 3/8 inch score tape. I'll link everything in the description box below. You'll need a bone folder, paper trimmer, scoreboard, and then you'll either need some magnets or these little, my mind went blank, whatever these are called. I cannot think for the life of me. Velcro dots, okay, there, all right. And you might want to put a little embellishment in the center. Okay, this is from the Paper Studio. And then I have this. I thought this would be really cute. It's Studio Light. It's the grunge collection, but I don't really know why it's grunge. It's leaves and mushrooms. All right. And then this is from the Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be really pretty. They're little stickers, so something like that. And let me show you my two prototypes. This was the first one I made, and I didn't get it quite perfect, okay? But you can see this Dollar Tree little sticker on here. I think it's adorable, all right? And I just closed it with the Velcro dots, and then you have a little treat holder right here. I think it's so pretty. Then this is my second one. You see, I'm getting better. And I used these little dies of the leaf on this, and I put a little teeny one of these Paper Studio gems, adhesive gems, right in the center, okay? And this is how this looks like. Now I used on this, which I can see it's not good glue, this zig, so I'm not going to use that. That already figured that out. I'm going to be using either my stick glue or my Barely Art glue because I put that down with that, and you can see that's coming loose, okay? So you want to use a really good glue, but I think this is so cute, all right? So let's start making these really cute clutch treat holders, okay? So what you need to do is you want to get a piece of cardstock that is, you want to cut it 11 by 4 inches, and you can get 2 of these little treat holders out of one 8.5 by 11 paper. So I think that's really good, all right? So the first thing you want to do is get your scoreboard out, and at the long side, the 11-inch side at the top, you're going to score at 1 inch, okay? All right, then you're going to score at 5 1/4. And then you want to score at 6 1/4. Like I said, this is so easy. And then you want to score at 10 1/2. All right, then what we're going to do is turn this paper this way. And then what we want to do is score at 1 inch. And then what we want to do is then flip this back up. And to make this little gusset right here, you want to score at 1/2 inch down to about 2 inches. Only take it down that far. Okay. And then you want to go right here at 5 3/4 and score again, only down to about 2 inches. So I'm kind of guessing where that 2 inches is, okay? And that's all the scoring that you need to do. Like I said, this is so simple. All right, now what I need to do is I got to get a ruler because we want to take, I don't know if you can see it, but from this little line that we only scored down to 2 inches, we got 2 areas like that. What we want to do is, and let me get a ruler, I'm going to use my Tim Holtz ruler. And you want to take it and put it at the end of that and connect it down here to this bottom line, okay? And that's going to make our little gusset. So let me try to get that. I've tried to score it on just on this, and it's like I almost need more cushion or something. I'm going to try a different bone folder. Maybe this one will do better. It just doesn't do a good job scoring it for me. Okay, so we want to go all the way to here from here. Okay, that one might work. Then we're going to take this one and take it from there to that corner. I'm hoping. And then the same thing right here, we're going to do the same thing. This is so easy to make. I mean, if you blink, you would probably miss it. And then right here, makes a little triangle, all right? Now what I want to do is I want to take a pair of scissors and I want to cut this little triangle out. Then I'm going to cut right up beside of this middle section up to that score line. I'm going to do the same thing over here up to the score line. Then I'm going to cut right here on this side up to the score line, okay? But we only took one piece out, okay? So then you're just going to, you could burnish this before you cut. It's totally up to you. Then we're going to burnish all these major creases that we made. But we're not going to burnish those little triangles yet. Okay? Like I said, so simple, okay? Now what you want to do is you just want to kind of squeeze this like this, where you have your little triangles and your area that you made down to 2 inches, just sort of squeeze it. And that's going to make our cute little indentations, okay? And I'm going to kind of go along mine and kind of crease them up a little better. Because like I said, I think mine could have been better on my other ones. All right, then what you want to do, okay, if you get confused where to put your 3/8 inch score tape, before you do it, just look here and you'll see. That's where you want it. Like that. Let me double check. Okay. So what you want to do after you've smooshed your lines together is you want to take this and put it on this side. So you're going to put your tape right here near the score line. Just look at it and you'll figure it out really easy. And then what we want to do is put the score tape on this side right here. So when we close up that pocket, I hope I didn't get that over. Okay, so you'll see right here, when I do this, it's going to work. Okay, so what we're going to do is take this loose right here, and we're just going to line it up with this edge right here. Okay. All right, that gives us that little bit of a box. All right. Then we're going to take it off the bottom here. We're going to fold in both sides of our box. And I would recommend, this is so easy, but I would really recommend doing a couple so you don't get confused. And then look, our pretty little gussets are there, and we're almost through with this. All right. Now what I'm going to do is take this, cut me a piece out with this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, that gives us this. It makes a really pretty like closure. I love it. Now you want to get your scoreboard back out. We're almost through. Okay, this is coming in like at 1 5/8. It's hard to get it exactly in the center. So let me get my scoreboard out. Just try to get it as close to the center as you can. One side will be longer, okay? And that's all right. You can put it towards the front, okay? And then all we're going to do is going to flip this over, burnish this down. This is going to be so cute. But I would do, like I said, a little practice. All right, and then what I'm going to do is try to see where I want to get this in the center, as close to the center as I can. And I'm just going to I'm going to use my stick glue because, and this is the shorter side. We're going to put the shorter side on first. Okay. And I'm just going to try, turn it towards me. I think that might be best. Try to kind of eyeball it. Get it as straight as possible. Then push down on here and glue this. Now you can definitely use Barely Art glue for this, okay? I was just afraid I wouldn't get it. Look how cute this is. I love it. Now to seal it, you could use a magnet, or I'm going to use these little Velcro glue dots, okay? Like I said, I'll link everything in the description box below that I can find. I'm just going to attach it like this. You definitely could put magnets. Like I said, if you do the magnets, get you a little coordinating piece of paper, cut you with a hole punch, a circle, and then that'll take care of that. Okay, so I want the rough side to be up. So I'm going to put this about, right there. Push down on it. Okay, I've never had that issue. Okay. All right, then when you close it, that is how that looks. Now, I thought about maybe putting, I think that's too much though. Okay, let me see what I could put on this. Let me take a look. Okay, I had this in that same pack of paper, and I thought that would be really cute, I think, to put that on there. I think, let's look. Let me look at this one. Do I need to cut it down a little? Just a little. Okay. Let me go in there and cut these both down just a little. Okay, I think that I like this. I don't think it's too much. You could just put Be Joyful, but I'm going to just do it. I like it, so that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do my Scotch stick glue and just put a lot of the glue on there. If you put a lot, it really does stick. It's good glue, but you have to put a lot. Like I said the other day, you can't just think you're going to put it on there and just a little bit. Okay, you can put it in the middle, you can put it just one way or the other. It's totally up to you what you do. Okay, and then I'm going to just set this on the bottom. I think that's going to be really cute. Now I am going to use my art glitter glue on this one. And if you hear something, Melvin is putting our storm shutters up. I know it's early, yet I'm filming this on Sunday. But we have, if it would come this way, we have 2 houses to shutter, ours and Mom's. And it's just not practical for us to try to wait. It doesn't work out. So I'd rather be over prepared than not prepared. All right, let's take a look at it. Okay, this is the first one I did. I really love how it turned out. My little needle that I had down in my art glitter glue rusted, if you can believe that. So that's what that is. But this was the first one. You can see I didn't quite get it on there perfect, but practice makes perfect. Dollar Tree sticker. Then this is the second one I made with that little die cut. I'm definitely getting better. And I put that little gem in there. Then here this is. I went ahead and glued the back on with my Barely Art glue. Look at that down in there. So pretty. I really do love it. And then this is the last one. And it's so absolutely adorable. I love how that turned out. You could even put straps on it if you wanted. Like I said, you can close it with magnets, or you can close it with these little Velcro dots. So if you enjoyed this little craft fair project idea and you want to make these little clutch treat bag holders, then go ahead and enjoy yourself. I know you can do it. It is so simple and you'll look so accomplished. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.